Today, we'll bake delicious cookies with cocoa and shredded coconut. You will need flour, butter, sugar, coconut, egg yolks, cocoa and vanilla essence. Mix all ingredients in a bowl. Start with 200 grams of butter, softened at room temperature. Add 100 grams of unrefined sugar, such as light muscovado sugar. Next, add 240 grams of plain, all-purpose flour. Add 100 grams of shredded coconut. Add 2 egg yolks. Followed by a few drops of vanilla essence. And finally, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix all ingredients and knead them into cookie dough. It might be best to use your hands. Leave the cookie dough to rest in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Form small balls out of the cookie dough and place them onto the parchment paper. Press each of the dough balls down with a fork. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies for 15 minutes. Let the cookies cool off before serving them.